today's video, I'm going to teach you how to choose between QuickBooks and Xero for your business needs. When considering accounting software, it's essential to assess the unique requirements of your company. Often, the decision boils down to what best suits your business size, specific needs, and overall preferences. Let's start by diving into what QuickBooks has to offer. QuickBooks is renowned for being a powerful accounting tool that covers a wide array of features. These include invoicing, payroll, inventory management, and advanced reporting capabilities. For businesses that require meticulous financial tracking, QuickBooks emerges as the superior choice. One of the highlights of QuickBooks is its strong integration with other Intuit products, which can streamline processes if you're already using their ecosystem. Moreover, QuickBooks provides fantastic support for accountants and bookkeepers. This trait makes it particularly appealing for more established businesses or those that require thorough, in-depth financial insights. If your business demands a more nuanced approach to accounting with detailed reporting and robust power, QuickBooks is often the go-to solution. On the flip side, Xero offers something different that might catch the eye of small businesses, startups, and freelancers. Xero is celebrated for its user-friendly interface and the ability to facilitate real-time collaboration, which is immensely valuable in today's digital business environment. This cloud-based tool shines in its simplicity and the ease with which users can manage invoices, perform bank reconciliations, and generate reports. This ease of use is complemented by Xero's ability to integrate seamlessly with a large variety of third-party applications, providing flexibility that can cater to the evolving needs of growing businesses. It's an excellent tool for those who are perhaps newer to accounting software and those who value collaboration and accessibility from any device. In essence, if your business gears more towards needing strong accounting power coupled with detailed financial reporting, then QuickBooks will likely meet those demands effectively. Alternatively, if you value an easy-to-use interface, simplified processes, and a collaborative environment, Xero might just be the perfect fit. Often, the choice comes down to what aligns best with your operational style and the unique demands of your business landscape. So, there you have it, a closer look into the major features of QuickBooks and Xero. Consider what aspects are core to your business operations and choose the tool that aligns with your strategic financial management goals. Whether you prefer robust power or simplified flexibility, making an informed decision will undoubtedly contribute to your business's success.